Hello and welcome to our 2020 Azimut 66 Fly. Starting at the swim platform, you're going to see a nice teak finish all the way throughout. Very nautical, has a nice feeling, really adds to the quality that Azimut really portrays. Cockpit on this boat, lots and lots of room. Nice little entertainment space, large table with an L shape. Stairs up to the bridge. Again, teak and holly all the way throughout. Also really nice access to your engine compartment. Main salon, lots of light, very open feeling. Sliding glass doors that open all the way up. Really gives you a nice indoor-outdoor space. The interior for this one is new for 2020. Little different setup than you've seen, but still definitely that Aquila Savani design pops through. A few steps further in the boat, you come to the full galley. Galley has a nice refrigerator, a couple of freezer drawers, high-end Miele appliances, convection microwave oven, 4-burner cooktop, and lots of space throughout, whether you're prepping for your meal or just a place to put on a good display. Great addition on the 66 that most others don't have. So you have this little bar seating area. Stools can face forward, you have some storage underneath. Nice view looking out as you're running. The helm of the 66 is a great place to run the boat from. Full command over everything that you need to know, from the Seakeeper display, full array marine electronics. You can run all the systems on the boat, from the air conditioning unit to checking your power input between the AC, DC, really you name it, that information is there. Full cat display, binnacle here for shift and throttles, and a joystick that you can actually use for docking. It integrates the bow and stern thrusters and the motors together. So it really gives you that comfort and control on those really windy days. Full beam master stateroom. Great visibility on either side with the big panoramic windows. Port lights that open on either side, one of my favorite features. Kick them open, get a nice cross breeze through the boat when you're out on the hook in the afternoon. Really cool, comfortable place to be to maybe get out of the sun for an hour. Master head, great space, stand-up shower stall, nice sinks throughout, in a great position as well. Nice sound buffer between the engine compartment and the master stateroom. VIP stateroom, great place to give your guests a first-class experience. Queen size island style bed, so again, it's easy to get around. Lots of headroom all the way throughout. You're gonna have light on either side, so pull the blinds up, opens up, gives you that great experience. The VIP stateroom is a full-on ensuite, so you do have a separate head. Separate shower stall inside, toilet, and a very large sink. Very, very functional space. Fourth stateroom, bunkhouse, works for 2 adults, great spot for some kids. Still hanging lockers in there, lots of storage space, a little bit extra light, not a bad place to be. Third head on the boat is going to be shared between the 2 staterooms, but also doubles as a nice day head. Again, all the function that you come to expect in a 66-foot boat. In my opinion, Azimut makes some of the best bridges on the market. This one on the 66, no exception. Great space for entertaining. Large sink with pressurized hot and cold water, grill cooktop. You're gonna have an ice maker and a refrigerator drawer in here as well. The upper helm has the full functionality of the lower helm with the added bonus of a very commanding view. The bow is one of the most versatile places on the 66. It's almost like having a small bow rider on the front of your boat. Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. I'm on the 2020 Azimut 66 Fly. Give us a phone call, stop on in. We'd love to walk you through this one and really show you what it's all about. If you get a chance, make sure you follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. See you on the water.